What can service design change in companies? Service design helps to improve overall customer experience. Improve customer experience means service design focus on entire customer journey rather than focusing on only few touch points. It helps companies understand the pain points and redesign services with smoother and more satisfying experiences. Let's take Uber. Uber has redesigned the entire ride from booking to payment to create a hassle-free user experience for users. Now let's take another one is increase customer loyalty. Companies can prioritize a seamless service to improve higher customer retention. Service design builds trust by offering consistency, personalized and user-friendly experiences. Example, you take Airbnb. It creates a seamless experience by connecting hosts, guests, and payment systems and make the overall travel booking simple and reliable. Now, the third point is reduce operational cost. By identifying inefficiencies in the service process, companies can automate repetitive tasks, improve resource allocation, and reduce cost. Let's take an example of Amazon. Amazon uses service design to automate deliveries, customer support, and returns so that it is making operational faster and more efficient. These days, almost all quick commerce companies are focusing on such things. That is where you have chatbots, video bots, a lot of things are getting into the part of service design. And the fourth one is innovation in services. Service design helps companies develop new services or transform existing ones to meet changing customer needs. It combines design thinking, technology, and business goals. This experience, and it is making you to finish the things faster. Now, the next point is digital transformation. With the rise of digital services, service design helps companies shift from a traditional to digital platforms. Same time, it should not lose human touch. Let's take banking apps like HDFC, PayZapp. It transformed their services to allow users make digital payments, booking flights, and shop all in one app. So it is bank and the services, it is combined through that, and maybe in the future it may come up that as a separate entity as a business. See how companies are making value proposition by adding services along with their core businesses, which is improving a lot to create value out. Today's scenario, it's not what you offer matters. It's how much value you are creating to the user matters the most. Now, why should companies invest in service design? Number one, higher customer satisfaction. Number 2, competitive advantage. Number 3, cost effective. If you can able to save some minutes by improving service design, if you convert that into a money-based value proposition, it's going to be huge. And fourth one is better digital experiences. And fifth one is constant brand experience. So if a customer is dealing with a brand, if the service design you constantly improving will improve the satisfaction of the users or the customers. I can't say it's user, it is customers. At Leapfrog, our service design course teaches all this with the practical examples. How to map customer journeys, how to create service blueprints, and how to design innovate services, and to improve business performance. All that we'll be dealing in this particular course. Come, join now and become a certified service design expert. Call for free demo on 988 5555 166.